Acne can be frustrating, but with the right medical products, you can really take control of your skin and find relief. So whether you have occasional breakouts or persistent acne, these products are designed to target the causes and help your skin to clear effectively. All right, so I'm gonna say, here are the best medical products for acne. It's not medical advice, it's for educational purposes only. First one is benzoyl peroxide. This is one of the most common and effective treatments for acne. It works by killing the bacteria that causes acne and helps to clear the pores. So look for products like PanOxyl or Neutrogena for a reliable benzoyl peroxide treatment. I'll put these names in the description, okay, in case I'm not saying some right. Second one is Salicylic Acid. This ingredient helps exfoliate the skin and prevents pores from being clogged. Products like Clean and Clear Advantage or Roche-Posay Effaclar Medicated Gel Cleanser are great options. Third one is retinoids. Retinoids like Differin Gel are proven to reduce acne by preventing pores from clogging and reducing inflammation. It's available over the counter and is highly effective for both mild and severe acne. The fourth one is topical antibiotics. So slinomidencilin, I'll put it in the description, I can't even say it. It helps reduce acne by causing bacteria and inflammation, by lowering it, prescribed by dermatologists and can be found in products like Cleocin T. And the fifth one is sulfur. Known for its ability to treat acne and control oil, sulfur-based products like Mario Bashomes something, drying lotion, and makes the pimples go away. So acne, if it's affecting your confidence or your skin, go in the description, check the names that I screwed up one after the other, and they're really, really well recommended. I researched it. So leave me a like. I love you.